Hi friends, welcome you all to Moneymax Academy. Today we are going to learn about offset formula, sum offset, average offset and count offset. So we know already offset formula, how to use the offset formula. For example, if you want to know the particular data, you can use offset. What do you want to start? Name. Where do you want to, suppose you want to know the Meena salary. So fifth row, second column, because Meena salary name is the first column. We don't want to consider. So department first column, salary second column. You want to know the department, you can fix first column. So Meena working in MIS department. You can do like this. Okay. Now we can use sum offset, average offset and count offset. How to use? So if you want to know the particular sum, do you, so this is the data, salary, accounts department and total salary. So 74,000 will be the answer. You want to know the sum of accounts department salary by using the offset function. So sum, offset, select the reference. You are starting from name reference. What is your starting row? Raja, first row. What is your column? Department first column, salary second column. So you can give second column. Then you want to have a sum. So what is the height? From Raja, how many rows are you want to add? So 3 rows. Raja first row, Mary second row, Vijay third row. Then with how many column you want? So with first department first column, salary second column, second. Suppose you want to know the accounts mean, you cannot get the sum. So definitely you have a number, numerical data only. So you should have a salary second column. So double bracket, you can get the salary of accounts department. Clear? Now you want to know the average. Suppose you have the salary marketing person. You want to know the salary of marketing person, sum of marketing person, you can know. We can use sum offset. You want to know, your boss is asking how much average salary we have given. How much average salary we are given to marketing department. Suppose in this example the salary has been increased 23,000, 25,000 like this, you can get the automatic sum. 26,000 like this, you can get automatically. The same way we can get average, offset, rest everything same. You have to select that reference and then you have to give the starting number from Anbu sixth row, salary second column, how many rows you want to add, height 1 2 3 4, 4 rows. Okay, how many columns? With marketing salary, 2 with 2 column, double bracket, you can get the average salary. So if you want to get the sum, you can get the average also. Suppose you have the large data, you want to count how many people are working in a marketing department. So you want to know the count. So you can use the count offset. So count, offset, reference, and then starting number is Anbu. So sixth row, you want to know the count. It is not required to give the numerical data or department data. You can give from department 1. How many rows you have to add? 4. How many rows you have to, how many column you want to add? 1. 1 is enough. So 0. So why it is 0? Count. If you put 2, second column salary, 4. 4 counts you have. Because there are 4 counts you have. So this is the use of sum offset, average offset and count offset. Okay, suppose you want to know the same area. suppose you want to know the same data for sum offset, count offset, average offset. How to do that? Suppose I have changed the data now. This is the actual data available. I'm going to change. Okay. So accounts, accounts, everybody in accounts, for example. Clear? Now, I want to know the sum of accounts department. You can, no, you don't want here, sales, marketing, and then MIS is working in admin. For example, okay, you want to know the sum. You want to know the sum. Okay, now you can use sum offset, give the reference number, starting number Raja 1, salary you want to know 2, second column, department first column, salary second column, and then you want no, so we have to make it offset. So reference you have to select. So row, first row Raja, column salary, so second column. So how many heights you want to know? So 6, from 1 to 6. So you have to add 6 rows, columns, you have to add 2. So you can get the 1,49,000 salary. This is the answer. So you can get some option like this. The same question, somebody is asking what is the average of accounts department, what is the count of accounts department. So you can copy paste here to here and here. What will be the answer? So the range has been changing, no? So we can use the dollar symbol. We can use the dollar symbol which is absolute. B2 which is absolute. We can give the dollar symbol and we can copy and paste. So after that, we can change the formula only. Instead of doing sum offset, we can give average offset. I will get the answer. We can give count offset. I will get the answer. 6 number of accounts department working. So this is the use of offset function, which is helpful to you. Sum offset, average offset, and count offset. Thank you so much, friend. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much. We will see you in the next video. Thank you.